In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an edge A of photo in Canva. This is a simple way to add focus to your subject or create a smooth fade along one side of your image, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're on the canvas with the photo you want to work on. On the left-hand toolbar, click on Apps. In the search field that appears, type Image Blender, then open the Image Blender app. With the app open, click on your photo on the canvas to make sure it's selected and linked to the tool. You'll see the Image Blender Settings panel on the left. In that panel, choose Linear. Linear creates a straight, gradual transition between a blurred area and a sharp area, which is perfect for softening just one edge. Once you choose Linear, 2 points will appear over your image. Think of these as handles that define the blur's start and its fade direction. Click and drag the first point right onto the edge you want to blur. This anchors where the blur will begin. Then take the second point and drag it toward the area where you want the blur to fade into clarity. A great starting place is around the middle of the picture, because it gives you a gentle, natural-looking transition. As you position these points, watch the image update in real time. If the blur band feels too narrow, pull the 2 points farther apart to stretch the blended area. If you want a crisper change, move them closer together. You can also adjust the angle by moving 1 point up or down, lining the invisible line between them along the edge you want to soften. The goal is to keep your subject or the important content on the sharp side of that line, while the unwanted edge falls into the blur. Take a moment to zoom in if needed and check corners and details. Make sure the blur doesn't cover text or key elements you want to remain readable. If the fade looks too heavy, nudge the point slightly until the transition feels subtle and intentional. Small adjustments make a big difference here. When you're happy with the result, click Save in the Image Blender app. Your photo will update in the project with the blurred edge applied, ready for you to continue designing. And that's it. You've created a clean, linear edge blur in Canva using the Image Blender app. Practice with different placements and angles to fit each design, and you'll get consistent, professional-looking results in no time.